Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Edge Fitness membership quickly and easily. First of all, to cancel your membership, you will need to visit your local Edge Fitness location, head to the front desk and request a membership cancellation form. Fill out the required details including your name, membership number and reason for cancelling. After that, you can call to this number to cancel the Ace Fitness customer support team. Some Ace Fitness memberships require a notice period, usually 30 days, or might have early cancellation fees. Be sure to review this to avoid any surprises. And then, in some cases, Ace Fitness might require a written notice for cancellation. You can write a letter or send an email to the club's management. Be sure to include your membership details and your cancellation request. After submitting your request, ask for a confirmation receipt to ensure your cancellation is processed. You should receive an email or written confirmation or the cancellation within a few days. And that's it. Your S Fitness membership should now be cancelled. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.